It's back to school season, and I know parents are struggling as usual with meal options, snack options for their kids. Today I present to you these delicious, fluffy beetroot cupcakes, which your kids will totally love. So let's get mixing and baking. So by way of ingredients, which will be listed in the description box as usual, I have here some flour, beetroot, strawberry flavored Pascal yogurt, but you can use plain yogurt, Greek yogurt, whichever works. And then I have here some sugar and some oil. I'm using sunflower oil. And then I also have here some salt, baking powder, baking soda, and vanilla essence. So I'll start by pouring my beetroot into my blender, and then I'll go ahead and add in my Pascal yogurt. Pascal for video also mommy would be some collaboration no go bad cry. Then I'll blend it up a bit to get it into little chunks, and then I'll go ahead and add in my oil. So this will be my liquid base for my cupcakes or muffins. Then I'll blend this till very smooth. So here we have it. Then the next stage is to add in my dry ingredients, which are my flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. And then add in also my vanilla extract. So if you are new here, Alba, you're so welcome. It's amazing to have you around. I hope you do stick and stay with me, and let's enjoy this ride together. Meanwhile, I'm preheating my oven at medium-low heat. So once my mixture is beautifully put together, I'll get my cupcake tray out, which I've already lined. Then I'll just scoop away. Beetroot is a superfood rich in minerals and vitamins, and if your child is even anemic, this is the perfect cure. These muffins will go in for 15 to 20 minutes. Check when they are ready by inserting a toothpick in the center. If the pick comes out clean, then your muffins are ready. I hope you add these cupcakes to your snack menu. And as usual, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and do promise me that you'll try it out. Check out the inside of our cupcakes. You won't believe they are made from beets, right? So until I see you again in another video, keep blooming.